Hi guys, welcome to the new video lesson series of Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 online. So in this video tutorial we will be learning about what is PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a slideshow presentation program currently developed by Microsoft. PowerPoint, initially named Presenter, was created by Forethought Inc. Microsoft version of PowerPoint was officially launched on May 22nd of 1990 as currently one of the most commonly used presentation program available. PowerPoint presentation consists of number of individual pages, or we can call it slides. The slide analogy is a reference to the slide projector. Slides may contain text, graphics, sound, movies and other objects which may be arranged freely. The presentation can be printed, displayed live on computer or navigated through the command of the presenter. For the larger audience, the computer displays often a video projector. Slide can also form the basis of webcast. PowerPoint provides three types of movements. First one is entrance, emphasis and exit of element on slide itself are controlled by what PowerPoint call custom animations. Second one is transitions. On the other hand, are movements between slides. This can be animated in a variety of ways, which we'll be learning in this video series. And custom animation can be used to create small storyboards by animating picture to enter, exit or move. So this is about PowerPoint. Now PowerPoint is also available to online. You don't need to install PowerPoint onto your computer. So before you were installing your Office suite and you have used PowerPoint. But now there is no need to install any Office suite. You just go to office.com website, log on to office.com website and right away you can use PowerPoint in the same browser. There is no need to install any software. So let's see how you can use PowerPoint online and create your presentation. First of all, go to office.com website and log on to office.com. So you will see this screen which have many apps which are online apps. So these are the apps you can use online without installing any software. And one of them is PowerPoint. Let's get started.